Landa Real Estate Shares app. The pros, the cons. Landa is a real estate investment platform that lets users buy fractional shares of properties. But is it right for you? Starting with the pros first. Accessibility. You can invest in real estate with small amounts, lowering the barrier to entry. Second, diversification. Landa allows users to spread investments across multiple properties, reducing risk. Third, potential passive income. Investors can earn rental income proportional to their shares. Now, the cons. One drawback is liquidity. Selling fractional shares may take time, meaning your money isn't always accessible immediately. Another limitation is fees. Platform and management fees can reduce returns, especially for smaller investments. The surprising truth? Landa is great for investors wanting exposure to real estate without owning full properties, but it's not ideal for those needing quick access to cash. In conclusion, the pros: accessible real estate investing, diversification, and passive income make Landa appealing for long-term investors. The cons: liquidity issues and fees mean it's less suitable for short-term needs.